Looks like the drone is flying? No cap. This is how to do it the easy way. Hit subscribe, like, and open CapCut. Get your image, bring it to the timeline. Adjust the length as you want it. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Then move further a bit and add another keyframe for the zoom in effect. Then adjust your scale to 220% and adjust the position to centralize your focus. Then put a second keyframe very close to it. Then go farther a bit and add another keyframe for the pan right effect. Adjust the position to the right end of the image. Then add another keyframe close here. Then go to the end and add another keyframe and adjust the position to the left this way. Boom, you have it. Congratulations. Please, it's important to note that the second keyframe you add very close to the main one actually works as the stopper or end to the effect. Without it, the effect will continue on to the next one like this. Just experiment with it, and you will see the work yourself the way I am doing it here. Alright, please like, share, and check out other cool tutorials up here. There's always something for you in all our videos. Thank you.